Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire and I've been shopping on Cherries. I have spent £35 and I've got this lovely box of randomness to open up and share with you. So if you know everything there is to know about Cherries, you'll find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. But if you want to learn a little bit more about it, then carry on watching. So Cherries is an online store and they also have an app as well, and they sell everything you can think of. The majority of products range between the prices of £1 and £10. It reminds me of an online version of, say, Pound Stretcher, B&M, Home Bargains, those sort of shops, you know, where sometimes you walk into them and you think, oh, okay, I need a mop, for instance, and then you come out with some toiletries, a candle holder, maybe a treat for your dog, you know. So it's all like stuff that you don't know you need or you don't know you want until you're actually in there. Well, this is what this website is like. Now, this is the second shop I've ever done with them. The first one was kindly gifted to me from Cherries, but this one I bought myself. So I thought, we're back in lockdown and yeah, I don't like leaving the house, in all honesty. So I just fancied having a look to see what's on there because I hadn't ordered for quite a few months. They do literally sell everything you can think of. There's lots of different categories. You've got gardening, you've got homeware, you've got food, you've got toiletries, you've got beauty, you've got, what else is there? You've got pet supplies, kids' toys. Yeah, it's a lot there. It is a lot there. Now, there's a minimum spend of £10, and if you order off their website, there's an additional £4 shipping on top, or if you order from their app, there's an additional £3 shipping on top. I think because I've signed up to their account, I have a refer a friend scheme thing there, so I'm not sure what it is. It might be like a couple of pounds off your first purchase or something like that. So I'll have a look after I've done this video. I should have done it before. I'll have a look, and if I can find a code or maybe a link or something for you to click on, then I'll pop it down in my description, as well as links to the app and the website as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Now, if you are a regular to purchasing off the Cherries website or app, they do have a subscription running where you pay £12 a year and that covers all your shipping. You have free shipping. They say that you can sign up and you can have a 30 days free trial, free to cancel anytime. If you are a regular purchaser to the Cherries website and you shop more than 4 times with them a year, then that might be an option for you. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, please ask away. But let's go on to showing you what random products I have bought. Little Cherries paper. It's packaged really well, but then inside is all thrown together. Like that. I'm just going to go through it one by one, showing you what's inside. The majority of these products were £1. I didn't pay any more than £5 for an item. I'll pop up the price of what I paid for it as we go along. So the first item is a shopping list. Little pad there. It's just a little pad that you can peel off, and it's just got shopping list at the top there. Oh yeah, and it's got a magnetic thing there, so you can stick it on the side of our fridge maybe. But yeah, I got it from my husband because he loves writing lists before going shopping. He loves it, and he always rips up envelopes and things, so it's like, oh, we need envelopes, so got a shopping list there. So I'm sure he'll love it. These are not coming out in any particular order. I am just grabbing them as I go along. Next I got a strainer. And this is a handled strainer. Something useful. I didn't have anything in mind when I bought this, but I thought, you know what? We haven't got one and it'll be really handy. So yeah, got strainer. Oh, I got some little treats for my dog, my little girl, Maisie Moo. She's a golden retriever. These are Peruna Bakers. Sizzlers here, bacon flavour, and Whirlers here. This is bacon and cheese flavour. Yeah, so those to her. Got some roasted and salted pistachios. I really like them. What have we got here? Microwave and fridge freezer wipes. Now, our microwave is always messy. Filling soup right up to the top of bowls, and then if you put it on for too long, it starts splattering everywhere. So yeah, so I thought that might be handy to have. Ooh, all my bakery stuff. And yeah, I've got them all in pink. Don't know why. Doesn't go with our kitchen theme whatsoever, but again, I just thought it would be handy. So this is a silicone turner. So really, really nice to flip an egg or something like that, or even like an omelette, or yeah, it's just handy. It is just a handy thing to have. And again, I got a little spatula, just silicone spatula. I really don't know why I got this. Why did I get this? What is this useful for? What is this useful for? I don't know, decorating a cake maybe? I did get some cake things in here. I can't remember why I got this. Although we've got a grater, I just thought, how cool is this? It's a little mini one. It's a stainless steel little kitchen tool. It's a little mini grater, can you see? So the holes are really small. So great for like harder cheeses. Yeah, so there's that. Going back to the pink theme, we've got an ice cube tray and the little balls. That looks so cool. I can't wait to use them. Can you see there? If I take this off, hold on. Can you see? Little silicone. That is genius. I really, really like this. I just realised they've got silicone bottoms, so it means you can just pop them up like that, you know? So you could just pop them out. Oh, that is brilliant. Why didn't I get any more? Did I only get one here? Because we've got like the old-fashioned type ice trays, so the only way to get them out, you have to like twist it like that, but then you get a load come out. That is brilliant. That is brilliant. I really like that. Got something else that's pink, and this is a pastry brush. So I just thought that's really cool as well. Again, something that I would never think, oh, I desperately need to go to the shop to buy a pastry brush. But we do a lot of baking, and yeah, I do make some pies and things as well. And yeah, sometimes you just need something like this to put some egg on the top, egg or milk on pastries, etc. So yep, there's that. A Victoria sponge cake mix. I don't know, what does it contain? It just contains everything you need for the sponge, basically. I just need to add eggs and water. And yeah, the kids love doing this. And then designing little funky designs on top of the cakes then afterwards. So I thought that was quite cheap, I think, from memory. Something for the toilet. So we got Max 5 Flush, Toilet Rim Block Cleaner and Citrus Sparkle. Twin pack there. We've only got one toilet, so that is going to last a while, hopefully. Ooh, more treats for Maisie. See, I can't remember exactly what I bought. I think that's it for her. We've got some Pedigree Biscroc Gravy Bones Original. And look, that's what she looks like. She's paler than that. But yeah, she's a gorgeous golden retriever. And this big box there. We've got more cakes. We got a Betty Crocker Chocolate Fudge Brownie Mix. Now, we've had this quite a few times and it is gorgeous. Really, really, really lovely. So you just need an egg, oil and water. Some little coffees. This is by Beanies Flavoured Coffee Variety Pack. There's 12 instant coffee sticks. And they've got like amaretto, chocolate, Irish cream, hazelnut, caramel, vanilla, orange, mint chocolate, cookie dough, hazelnut, cinnamon hazelnut, coconut and gingerbread. I've tried some of these before from the brand Beanies and they're lovely, but others I've tried have been disgusting. I really wanted a Love a Jaffa Cake one. I'm sure it's a Jaffa Cake one. Oh, it was just awful. It was just too fake sweet, you know? I didn't like it at all. So yeah, so that was quite cool to try. And that as well, some more coffee sachets. There's 10 in here. This is a caramel latte. Little coffee sachets there. Ooh, I got something blast from the past. Angel Delights. I used to love this. This used to be my treat from my grandmother. Oh, and this flavour as well, butterscotch. I got 2 of them. Absolutely loved it. I don't know what the heck is in it. It's probably really, really bad. I don't know, but it just tastes absolutely gorgeous. So I just thought, let's recreate the pudding of my youth with my kids. You just add milk from what I remember. Yeah, and let it set. Butterscotch. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to try that. Coming to the end, I've got a cake tin, which would be handy. Although it's not very deep, is it? It's more, yeah, it's more like a pie tin. But that's fine. I have got cake tins, but I just thought having more might be handy. This is for the loo. This is genius. This is genius. This is a Fabaloo. It's a toilet perfume, wild rhubarb, up to 100 applications. And basically, before you do a number 2, you spray a few squirts of this in the toilet. You go about doing your business, and then you flush it all away, and then there's just a really gorgeous scent of rhubarb, I'm hoping. Wild rhubarb in your wake. As I said, we've got one toilet in the house. I don't really want to get into an in-depth discussion about our toilet habits, but there's one toilet in the house, 5 people. You know, if one of us has got a bad belly, you know, the chances of one of us wanting to use a toilet pretty soon afterwards is always going to be high. So having something like this in the bathroom ready, at least yeah, it makes the experience more bearable. I'll shut up now. Next, you've got a Dime Bar milk chocolate. Oh, I saw it and had to get it. I'm gonna have to share it though. This is, yeah, it's a Dime Bar. So what is Dime exactly? Dime, how can I explain it? Is it like a butterscotch type flavouring? Milka is just gorgeous, a really gorgeous milk chocolate. But yeah, you see there? Yeah, it's like a, I don't know how to explain it. Like a butterscotchy type, hard, toffee-ish. I don't know. It's nice though. It is nice. So I've never tried them both together, so that'll be nice. Then I just got something handy for the kitchen sink. This is a Dishmatic. Style your dish friend. So these are rechargeable. Not rechargeable. Not rechargeable. What's the word? You can take these off and you can buy more to put on them then, you know. You can fill the insides up there with washing up liquid. Really like them, really handy. So yeah, so there's that. Now the last 3 items are all the same. These, I think these are £2 each, but anyway, I got 3 of them to go in my wardrobe over there. We've got a built-in wardrobe. We had a built-in wardrobe fitted last year, and I've got quite a lot of clothes. A lot of clothes for different seasons, lots of shoes, lots of bags, lots of, it's a little bit of an obsession with mine. We've noticed that there's some mould in there. I've rearranged my wardrobe so that the clothes aren't so jam-packed next to each other. I've put a few clothes that I'm not wearing, you know, summer clothes then, you know, that I wouldn't wear in the winter away. So I thought, do you know what, having one of these, an interior dehumidifier with fresh air, helps stop damp, mould, mildew and condensation. I don't know if it'll work or not, but I like the idea of it. Absorbs up to 3 times its own weight in water. So yeah. So that was my Cherries haul for January. As you saw, a little bit of a random mix going on. Got something for my dog. I've got lots of things for the kitchen, lots of baking and cookery things as well. And yeah, got some sweet treats, got some coffee things, cleaning products, nuts. It's a little bit all over the place, but I'm really happy with everything I've got, except for the spatula, because I can't really think why I bought spatula. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know if you purchased from Cherries as well, and do you get carried away with all the randomness? So yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.